Hi everyone, I am Akshay Maya. Today we are going to discuss about customer segmentation using K-means clustering. So, first we are going to see what is customer segmentation. Customer segmentation is the process of dividing customers into groups based on common characteristics so companies can market to each group effectively and appropriately. The data used in this technique divides the customers into groups depending on various factors like geographical conditions, economic conditions, demographical conditions, as well as behavioral patterns. Here we use clustering algorithm known as K-means algorithm. By this algorithm, we are segmenting the clusters. In this project, we divide a mall customers dataset based on gender, age, income, spending scores, etc. We also visualize gender and age distributions and analyze their annual incomes and spending scores to target the potential user base. So, for this project, we are using Google Colab. So, now let's see the coding part. First, we have to import necessary libraries, namely NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. NumPy is used to perform a wide variety of mathematical operations on arrays. Pandas is an open source library built on top of NumPy, providing high performance, easy to use data structures and data analysis tools for Python programming language. Matplotlib is a Python package used for data plotting and visualization. Seaborn is used for data visualization and exploratory data analysis. It works easily with data frames and Pandas library. The gaps created by this can also be customized easily. Next, we will fetch the directory in which the dataset is located. Input data files are available in input directory. Now, let us run this so that libraries are imported. Next is reading the data present in the dataset from the file which is in CSV format. I will run this. Next is df.info function. This function gives information about dataset like column names, data types, etc. Next is df.head function. It retrieves first 5 rows from dataset such as customer ID, gender, age, annual income and spending scores. Now let us run this. Now first task is to remove the age frequency of the customers. As we can see the table, there are different age groups. Before determining the age frequency, let us eliminate the customer ID column because it is not needed to calculate the age frequency. Now next is the code for plotting age frequency. I have given the plot title as ages frequency and chosen violin plot to determine the age along the y-axis. So after running this, this is the output. As you can see that there are more customers ranging from 30 to 35 age. Next, we will plot two graphs showing spending scores in red and annual income in blue. Here we can clearly make out that spending score is more than the annual income. Next, we have to plot graph to check the distribution of male and female population in the data sets. Taking genders on the x-axis and values on y-axis. By seeing the output, we can clearly see that female population is more than the male population. Next, it is to check the distribution of the number of customers in each age group. Here, I have split the age group into 5 parts, that is 18 to 25, 26 to 35, 36 to 45, 45 to 55 and above 55. I have taken number of customers in y-axis and people of different age groups in x-axis. After running this, we can see that the age belonging to 26 to 35 are more compared to others. Next, the matplot to visualize number of customers according to their spending scores. Here I have specified spending scores as x-axis and number of customers in y-axis. Then I have specified the scores ranging from 1 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80 and 81 to 100. From the output, we can see that customers are spending scores in the range of 41 to 60. Next, for annual income also I have a specified number of customers on x-axis and annual income on y-axis, and I have divided annual income into different groups. So we can see that the more number of customers are having their annual income ranging from 60,000 to 90,000. By using the above plots, let's use the k-means algorithm to visualize the data. K-means clustering is a type of unsupervised learning which is used when you have unlabeled data. By using this algorithm, you will try to find groups in the data. K value represents the number of groups. We will import Axis 3D to visualize the data age. Age is taken on x-axis, annual income is taken on y-axis and spending scores on z-axis. This is how it looks without clustering. Before visualizing the cluster plot, we have to determine the number of clusters, that is the k value. For that, we are using elbow method. So here we are importing k-means WCSS to figure out the optimal number of cluster value. We have a for loop ranging from 1 to 11. Inside that, we are using WCSS dot append. This basically calls the k-means algorithm. A grid plot is obtained by taking k value on x-axis and WCSS on y-axis. Hence, we can see that there are 5 clusters. So we got the k value. Let's see how the plot looked like. First, let us specify the number of clusters as 5. Then let's import Axis 3D, NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib. Here, age is on x-axis, annual income on y-axis, spending scores on z-axis. Let's run this. Finally, this is how the 3D plot looks like. After clustering, we have 5 types of customers and grouped based on similar characteristics. So this is the customer segmentation using k-means algorithm. Thank you for watching.